Hi everyone, it's Kathy with Bridges Stamping. I have a massive unboxing for you from my order from the holiday catalog. This is actually my favorite time of the year because I love making Christmas cards. And I actually could not fit the box on my table. I had to put it on the floor. So I just started taking stuff out, and we'll start with the stamp sets. And then we'll go into the dies, and then I'll show you all the great paper I got. So actually, let's start with what I ordered, which is this bundle, the Christmas lights bundle. I don't remember the name. I'll put it in the description, which comes with 2 stamp sets, 2 dies, and I fell in love with the cards in the catalog. They're just gorgeous. They look like the Christmas trees are lit up from behind, and you'll see how, because it comes with this beautiful glimmer paper that's at the bottom of the box. But these are the dies that go with this. So you can see you can cut out the tree and stamp it, or you can cut out all these beautiful tiny holes and details. And look at that big snowflake and all these other little snowflakes and details. It's going to be pretty cool. Then this is the brightest glow. So it comes with the labels, a glow dies if you get the bundle. And it's always worth getting the bundle because it's cheaper than buying them individually or getting the dies and then forgetting that you got them. So just taking this out of the package, it's a little stuck because I'm doing it on camera. Okay. And now these are going to make some really cool labels for these really great sentiments. I always love it when I find really good sentiments that can go on the inside of Christmas cards. So this one's made the peace of the season, light your world, and may your new year be the brightest. Hoping your Christmas shines bright with the love of family and friends. Wishing you a season of hope and life. So these are some really good inside sentiments. And look, there's a Happy New Year, so you can make Happy New Year cards. That's actually really cool. It's the first time I've seen that. The other stamp sets I got, I was able to get this for free with my Stampin' Rewards, so make sure you take advantage of that. And once again, it's sentiments for the inside, which are always hard to find, and I really thought they were nice, and you can always use a good thinking of you and happy birthday sentiment. Now, this I ordered, the tree is for sale, because the tree lot dies I was able to get through sale-a-bration. So if you don't know, sale-a-bration is going on right now, where you can get products for free for every $50 that you spend. But I believe this is a $100 purchase. I don't have it in front of me because I'm so excited just to unbox what I got. So you're getting my reactions to the things as I'm opening them. So these dies, all the sale-a-bration items are only available as long as supplies last. So if you really want to get these dies, don't sleep on them. So you can cut out these trees. There's the detail for the trees, this little camper. So it coordinates with this side. Look, there's a little dog. You can cut out the little dog. So cute. Okay. And then this is the stamp set I got from sale-a-bration as well. The fox and the ducks and this little plant. So I've seen some really cool cards with these. So we'll see what comes up from there. Okay, move that to the side, and then I'm just gonna have to reach down to this box that's on the floor and grab the next bit of things from this box of wonders. Okay, all right, just put it all on the pile here. I'm on a frame. A little too close up in my camera today. Okay, so these are the red and green adhesive backed pearls, and you can't really see the color on the camera, but they are. It's the light green. I think it's either soft seafoam or the other light green. The red is behind the label, and also this ribbon. This comes with that Lights Aglow set. This beautiful gold vanilla ribbon, and to go with the vanilla, because of the paper. Some of the designer paper was vanilla. I picked up some vanilla envelopes because I actually don't have, until now, vanilla paper or vanilla cardstock because I usually don't use it. There's 2 sale-a-bration items in here I want to show you. Unfortunately, this was the pool party and soft seafoam cards and envelopes. This is out of stock and you can no longer get it. So that's why if you see something in that sale-a-bration catalog that you like, grab it ASAP. I'm actually going to use this for my class in 2 weeks, my live class. This is another sale-a-bration paper. Anything with gold, I love almost as much as I love things that are purple. So this is, it's only single-sided. I didn't know if it was double-sided. It's single-sided. So these are silver and gold. So that's the gold. And what's nice about this is you can take a blending brush and some ink, and you can make the background dark blue. So you can turn this into like this snow scene, or red or green to go with your cards. And then they have the same patterns in silver. Now this is the gorgeous designer series paper that goes with the Lights Aglow, and I am going to say it is disappointing that it's a 6x6 and not a 12x12, because this seems like it would be a paper that would really lend itself well to a 12x12. So this is where you have that. Once again, it's gold. So you've got black, which is interesting for Christmas cards, and on the other side is like a more muted pattern. This is gorgeous. Look at that gold on that green. Oh wait, that's not, this is the back of that green. That's beautiful too. And then the light green, these you can cut into quarters and make 3x3 cards and stamp your sentiments in this inside. I've seen that. And this is the back that has that the polka dots, I guess you call them. And then, oh, look at that. So that's the very vanilla paper. That's going to be hard to choose. This is a little busy for me, to be honest. It's got all red and green and gold. The back is a little better. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, look at this. You can cut out some of these trees with your the dies. And then we have it again in the red and that same. So you can make a lot, and then you've got the 3x3 in that as well. So that off to the side. All right, and then these are the two specialty papers that come with that bundle. It's a really huge bundle, and I'll be honest, it's the only, sorry, this is loud. It's the only thing I bought for myself for my Christmas cards this year. So I said I'm gonna buy one bundle. I'm gonna make all my Christmas cards. Not 100% true, because I did buy the trees for sale, but I didn't buy more than that. Okay, trying to get the stuff out of the way. Okay, look at that. There's only 3 colors, I believe. It's the red. Oh, this green is my favorite. Look at this. Can you see that beautiful snowflake pattern? It's like that foiling on it. I believe there's 2 sheets of each. I'll be honest, not good. Oh, we'll see. Not a big fan of the yellow, but I don't use yellows in general. I like my cool tones, my my purples and my blues and my soft greens. And what colors are those? Cherry cobbler, gold, and soft succulent. Okay, and then look at this glimmer paper. Oh, there's so much of it. It feels so thick. Let me open it. I love glimmer paper. I've got a problem about hoarding glimmer paper, so I have to start using it, especially with this pack, because what's in the catalog is if you cut out the shape of the tree with the glimmer paper and put it behind the tree with the lights poked out, it looks like the tree is being lit from behind. So you've got that like white, very vanilla, I believe. This beautiful green, goodness. I think it's this evening evergreen. It's such a great color for Christmas cards. So there's two sheets of each, I believe. It's really quite thick paper, and this is that gold. That if you cut this out and put it behind the tree, it looks like it's lit up gold. That's exciting. It's beautiful paper. I don't even know where to start. So that's my haul. All that's left in my box is cardstock that coordinates with all of this. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, drop me a comment. and stamp on.